Past Perfect English.
Listen, learn, and speak with confidence.
Hello, and welcome to your daily shadowing English speaking practice. This is day 1 of our 5-day shadowing English speaking challenge, where we focus on confidence. You'll listen, repeat, and speak out loud with me. Before we begin, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and open your mouth fully. Let the sound come out freely. Remember, this is not a test. This is practice. All right, let's start speaking together. Sentence 1. I am learning to speak English with confidence. I am learning to speak English with confidence. I am learning to speak English with confidence. Excellent. Sentence 2. I speak slowly, clearly, and calmly. I speak slowly, clearly, and calmly. I speak slowly, clearly, and calmly. Very good. Sentence 3. I am not afraid to use my voice. I am not afraid to use my voice. I am not afraid to use my voice. Nice. Sentence 4. Every time I speak, I get better. Every time I speak, I get better. Every time I speak, I get better. Great. Sentence 5. I allow myself to learn step by step. I allow myself to learn step by step. I allow myself to learn step by step. Well done. Take a small breath. You're doing really well. Tell me in the comments, where are you joining from today? And what is your first language? I love seeing how global this community is. You are not learning alone. We're doing this together. All right, let's continue. Sentence 6. I feel more relaxed when I speak English. I feel more relaxed when I speak English. I feel more relaxed when I speak English. Good. Sentence 7. I give myself time to think and speak. I give myself time to think and speak. I give myself time to think and speak. Nice and calm. Sentence 8. My accent is part of who I am. My accent is part of who I am. My accent is part of who I am. Excellent. Sentence 9. I focus on communication, not perfection. I focus on communication, not perfection. I focus on communication, not perfection. Great. Sentence 10. Mistakes help me grow and improve. Mistakes help me grow and improve. Mistakes help me grow and improve. Wonderful. Sentence 11. I breathe deeply and speak with ease. I breathe deeply and speak with ease. I breathe deeply and speak with ease. Very good. Sentence 12. I trust myself when I speak English. I trust myself when I speak English. I trust myself when I speak English. Nice confidence. Sentence 13. My voice deserves to be heard. My voice deserves to be heard. My voice deserves to be heard. Excellent. Sentence 14. I enjoy practicing English every day. I enjoy practicing English every day. I enjoy practicing English every day. Lovely. Sentence 15. I am patient with my progress. I am patient with my progress. I am patient with my progress. Great. Sentence 16. Speaking English feels easier each day. Speaking English feels easier each day. Speaking English feels easier each day. Well done. Sentence 17. I speak even when I feel a little nervous. I speak even when I feel a little nervous. I speak even when I feel a little nervous. That's powerful. Sentence 18. Confidence grows when I practice. Confidence grows when I practice. Confidence grows when I practice. Excellent. Sentence 19. I show up for myself today. I show up for myself today. I show up for myself today. Very good. Sentence 20. I am proud of myself for trying. I am proud of myself for trying. I am proud of myself for trying. Beautiful work. Wow. You just completed day 1 of your confidence reset. That is something to feel proud of. Let me ask you, how did speaking out loud feel today? Remember, confidence doesn't come first. Practice comes first, and confidence follows. Come back tomorrow for day 2, where we'll work on making mistakes calmly and confidently. If you found this helpful, save this video and practice again. The more you repeat, the stronger your English becomes. This is past perfect English. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and believe in yourself. I'll see you tomorrow.